Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well and you're watching my YouTube channel Advanced Technology by Rana. In today's session, we are going to discuss the deployment options which are available in the Palo Alto firewall, and we will see how it works. So let's start our theoretical portion first to discuss the types of the deployment option which are available in the Palo Alto firewall. The most common deployment option which is available is a layer 2 deployment option. In the layer 2 deployment option, you just configure your interfaces on the Palo Alto firewall as a layer 2, and the packet switching basically happening, or the decision making of the routing is happening on your network side. So it is normally called or layer 2 packet filtering or layer 2 deployment option. Then another option is available as a layer 3 deployment option. In the layer 3 deployment option, you configure the IP addresses on the interfaces of the Palo Alto firewall, and your Palo Alto firewall then connect with your network side, and the routing basically happen on the Palo Alto side. Okay, so this is basically a layer 3 deployment option. Then there is another option available, which is our topic for today as well, which is a tap deployment option. What happened in the tap deployment option? I hope you hear about the port mirroring or the span port on the network side, where you make a port mirroring for some specific traffic, and then you point or destinated the traffic to some specific port, and the help of with some software such as Wireshark, you can analyze your packet, your ports, and basically it gives you the overall overview of the traffic which is going in and out from your network. So same thing happen in the tap mode. So you configure your interfaces on the Palo Alto firewall as a tap mode, and then you will connect with the span port on your switch type, and you configure your policies and on the Palo Alto firewall, and then your Palo Alto firewall start learning about your network traffic without changing on your infrastructure side. So basically this option is available whenever you are going to deploy a Palo Alto firewall into your network, and you need information that what kind of traffic is moving in between your networks, so you can make your policies according to that traffic which is moving in and out from your network. So this is our lab for today as well, and we will make a diagram, and then we will see the configuration, and I will show you the results. Only the disadvantage in the tap mode is that one, that you do not have control on the traffic. You can analyze the traffic, you can make the policies based on the results what you are getting in the tap mode, but you do not have control into your on the traffic which is moving in and out. So this is the only disadvantage in the tap mode. Then there is another mode for the option available, which is virtual wire mode. What is exactly virtual wire mode? It's the same as tap mode. The only advantage in the virtual wire that you have control on the traffic, and you can make the policies to make make the control on the traffic which is in and out. So we will configure this one as well, and we will configure a lab, and I will show you how it works. So let's start our first type, which is the tap mode. Okay, and we will make a diagram for this one, and then we'll see further how I will configure the policies and how I will connect into my network.